Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share how to make tteokbokki with you guys. If you ever visited Korea, you must have seen a lot of tteokbokkis in the street. This is one of the food that I miss a lot. Today I'm just gonna make a little bit for 1 or 2 people. I've got 200 grams of rice cake. You can get this easily in Korean grocery store. If you buy frozen or dried ones, you just need to soak it in the water for about 20 minutes. And then we need 2 fish cake from the Korean grocery store. We need 1/8 of cabbage and 2 or 3 green onions, maybe 1/8 of carrot. I'm going to make sauce first. Put 1 cup of water and 4 tablespoons of sugar or less. If you don't like to be too sweet, just reduce the amount of the sugar. 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of gochujang. If you are Korean or you like spicy food, put another tablespoon. And then 1 tablespoon of hot pepper powder. If you like spicy, put another tablespoon. And mix them until the sugar is well dissolved. Put the rice cake and the sauce. And bring it up to a medium heat. In the meantime, we are going to chop the vegetables. Cut the green onions about 2 inches long. And if your green onion is very thick, cut them in half. Cabbage. Slice them in lengthwise and cut the carrot. Slice them thinly. I'm just using this much and cut them into a little bit thick strips, just like that. And chop the fish cake into strips. Cut it in half. And another half. Now you cut it in a third, like this. Now you put the carrots and the cabbage, green onions, and the fish cake. As soon as soup get thickened and vegetables are cooked, then it's ready to go. All done! Was pretty simple, right? Do you see my mouth is watery already? Now I'm just gonna taste it. Wow. It's very chewy and sweet and spicy. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh, it kicks me at the end. So anyway, you guys decide how much gochujang and gochugaru you're gonna put it in here. That's up to you. If you want spicy, put lots. And if you don't like spicy or you can't eat spicy food, reduce. Thank you for enjoying this video, and then I'll see you next time.